Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and the other day I got a comment from Seller559. He basically said that in giving the gospel, you're going to end up offending someone. Well, I'm going to keep on plugging away. While I don't like to offend anybody, if you're offended, I'm still planting seeds. So without further ado, here's some meat to chew on. Okay, so listen up, this is good. In the full light of day and in the hearing of the music of other voices, the caged bird will not sing the song that his master seeks to teach him. He learns a snatch of this and a trill of that, but never a separate and entire melody. But the master covers the cage and places it where the bird will listen to the one song he is to sing. In the dark, he tries and tries again to sing that song until it is learned, and he breaks forth in perfect melody. Then the bird is brought forth, and ever after he can sing that song in the light. Thus God deals with his children. He has a song to teach us, and when we have learned it amid the shadows of affliction, we can sing it ever afterward. I don't know about you guys. I know there's people having really tough times out there, and I hope this is an encouragement to them. God is trying to teach you a song that you can sing for him. And not only that, just to, every time you go through these dark times, trials, tough times, shadows of affliction, it makes you stronger, and it makes you more able to do and take the next step forward. And not just take the next step forward, but take the next step forward in victory. So that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we get. Thank you once again, and God bless you.